notice who's not carrying the boat. Who's taking the video.
Everyone's working, but I wonder what's going on.
Use a little help here.
Alright, my fingers are gonna fall off. There you go, now you're right.
Sit down in the boat, okay?
Now, if we need to be up there, you
No,
say.
you're fine right now.
I'll tell you one thing.
Okay, Mommy.
What? Here we go.
Daddy, do I get paddle on the rapid?
How you, Joshua?
You locked in?
Locked in.
All right, buddy. From here on out, who do you ask what you can do?
Steven.
All right.
You locked in there? Okay.
Get your feet in.
Alright. You guys ready to have fun?
Yeah.
Mommy, you ready to have fun?
Yes. It's not so
Dada?
bad. See,
Oh yeah.
Paddle.
Stop. Paddle. Stop.
That wasn't even a rapid?
No, but we got high water today.
Oh, joy, lovely. That's just what I wanted to hear.
So how was that, Mommy?
That was okay. That wasn't too bad.
How about you, buddy?
That was fun.
Oops, you might want this one under here. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
If you find your chin, it's not going to help you at all.
Okay, if I haul a rock, you kind of want to hold on. Getting a rock is gonna happen. I'm not gonna do all the rocks. Mom, stop paddle. Stop. Put the paddle in the water. Oh no, put it like this right here. Like this. Like that. On high. Put your right arm higher. There you go. Now dig. Oh, go put that paddle all the way in the water. There you go. You're gonna reach forward and grab as much water as you can and pull it back.
And follow Dustin. Don't paddle against him.
Yeah.
Right.
Paddle together like a secret time. Okay, if for some reason, I don't know why we have this idea to come out of here, just steady over. Okay. Dustin, you know how to do this so you can come back here and do it or whatever, but it's working for you. Okay, around this corner is our first step. Why don't you unclip the rope bag and everything so it's not... Say what? You unclip it. Don't just grab it instead of having to unclip it. I mean, if you fall out. I gotta crawl back there and unclip it. And then throw it. Alright. That is. Whee! Alright guys, so hold on, man, okay? Paddle! Stop!
I got wet. That's
So
cold.
did I.
That's
So
cold.
did I.
We're good.
Yeah, that was awesome. it.
Yeah.